Angkor Wat is a temple complex located in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and is one of the largest religious monuments in the world. It was built in the early 12th century by the Khmer king Suryavarman II as a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu. Later, it was converted into a Buddhist temple in the 14th century. The construction of Angkor Wat was part of a larger building campaign that took place during the Khmer Empire's Golden Age, which lasted from the 9th to the 15th centuries. The Khmer Empire was one of the most powerful and prosperous empires in Southeast Asia, and its rulers built a series of impressive temples and monuments throughout the region. The construction of Angkor Wat took approximately 30 years to complete, and it was built using more than 5 million tons of sandstone quarried from a nearby mountain range. The temple complex covers an area of 162.6 hectares and is surrounded by a moat that is 190 meters wide. The temple complex is known for its elaborate carvings and intricate architecture, including a series of galleries that depict scenes from Hindu mythology. The temple's central tower, which stands at 213 feet, represents the mythical Mount Meru, which is considered to be the center of the Hindu universe. After the decline of the Khmer Empire in the 15th century, the temple complex was abandoned and fell into disrepair. It was rediscovered by French explorers in the 19th century and has since become a major tourist attraction and a symbol of Cambodian national pride. Today, Angkor Wat is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is considered one of the most important archaeological sites in Southeast Asia.